Hello, Mrs. Kenneth here again, Title I Math Coach at Lucille Brown Middle School. Today is week 3, day 5 of box and whisker plots for problem of the day. So today we will review 8.12a and b. Yesterday's independent practice and homework solutions. So problem number 1, you needed to determine the median and the interquartile range for both store A and store B. So for store A, the median, which is the line in the middle or in the box, is 45. The interquartile range, you're going to subtract quartile 3 minus quartile 1. So quartile 3 is 55 minus quartile 1 is 30. So 55 minus 30 is 25. And then store B, the median, is the line in the box, which is 40. And then the interquartile range, again, we're going to subtract quartile 3 minus quartile 1. So 50 minus 35 is 15. Question number 2, you needed to select all answers that were true. So here we have Class A and Class B. Answer 1 said Class A and Class B have the same upper extreme. So upper extreme, remember, is your maximum. So here's your maximum on Class A is at 22, and your maximum at Class B is also 22. So that is a true statement. The upper quartile for Class A is the same as the median for Class B. So let's take a look. The upper quartile for Class A. So here's Class A. The upper quartile is at 14. It says that's supposed to be the same as the median for Class B. So here's Class B. The median is the line in the box, so that is at 14. So both the upper quartile and the median are the same there. The median for Class A is greater than the lower quartile for Class B. So the median for Class A is right here at 6. We want to know if that is greater than the lower quartile for Class B. So the lower quartile is the left side of the box, which is 12. So is 6 greater than 12? No, it is not, so that is incorrect. The next answer choice, the interquartile range for Class A is the same as the interquartile range for Class B. Well, by just looking at the picture, I can tell that's not true because the interquartile range is subtracting quartile 3 minus quartile 1. So if the range was the same, the length of the box would also be the same. And this one is obviously a lot shorter than that one. Or I could have calculated it and gotten the same answer. And then the last one, there is a greater variation in attendance for Class A than for Class B. When a box and whisker plot shows a data set with greater variation, the box and whisker plot is going to be longer. All right, so Class A does have a greater variation than Class B. So today's objective is that we're going to be reviewing what we have learned this week about box plots. You'll know that you have it if you're able to score 80% or better on the assigned task. You'll need a calculator, paper, and pencil. Again, here's the vocabulary for the week as a review. Here's the pictorial representation as a review. And here is our first activity for today. So first you're going to watch a vocabulary video on box and whisker plots. So you're going to go through Clever and hit this vocabulary video link. When you are finished, come back here and we'll move on to the next activity. Your next activity for today is a quizzes game. All right, so you're going to click here to join the quizzes game to practice and review box and whisker plots. And finally for today, please log into Dreambox and complete at least one lesson. Have a great weekend.